guys to our King of Taste channel. Today we are making some tasty and nice kofta. If you don't know what kofta is like kind of kebabs, homemade kebabs, not on the fire, but we make it at home and it's gonna be tasty definitely. So we need different kind of stuff for this food, and Emily is here to explain you what we actually need for this food.
Yeah, we need ground meat, lamb and veal mixed. 2 parts lamb, 1 part veal. An onion, red pepper, a little bit of flour, limes, garlic, salt, turmeric, cumin, and black pepper here. We have an egg, a bunch of tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes, oil, we need cilantro, and we have some hot peppers here.
It's optional,
spicy.
yeah. If you
We like spicy food.
yeah. If you like to add some little bit of chili pepper, you can add it. If you don't like it, just
Leave it out.
leave it out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go and see how we can make this food.
Alright.
So actually Emily is supposed to do this part, but Emily say like, Eddie, can you please cut the onions? Because if I do it, I'll cry. So I was like, okay. I can do it like always. So you want to make sure that there is not lots of onion juice in your kebab. That's why we're gonna squeeze the onions and get some juice out, because we don't want it. Oh my god, my eyes. So after taking the juice out, we're gonna add our onions.
You're gonna wanna chop the red pepper pretty finely, or you can also put it in a food processor or something. Pick all the cilantro leaves off of the stems, because we don't want the stems in the kofteh. And then I'll chop it up pretty finely. This all up with my hands. Took my ring off. That's all nice and mixed. I'm gonna add the spices. I'm gonna get one of these little hot peppers from our pepper plant. So I'm gonna add maybe 2 of them. I want to chop this up really finely as well. To the meat. Another quick mix.
pepper.
I'm gonna add an egg and some flour to make the meat stick together and hold up when we cook it.
So why did you add mayo?
I
Flour?
already explained it, that it will help the meat stay together, hold its shape while it's cooking. Cut up the tomatoes and we're gonna fry sliced tomatoes with the meat. Got the pan up on high and it's pretty warm now, so I'm gonna add the oil. And you wanna add enough oil because they should fry. Take a small amount of meat, make it into a ball, kind of flatten it out to a little patty. You can just stick it in the pan.
Do you like gusht? No? Do you like meat? Do you like yourself?
We'll check when they're getting nice and brown like that one is. Go ahead and flip it. Let the rest of them cook a little longer.
Hi Emily!
Don't slide into the food.
Emma Dia?
Hey, careful, Mom. Hot. But it's good, they're juicy.
Yeah.
Adding a little bit of more oil. So now it's time to fry the tomatoes.
What are you doing?
I'm removing the tomato skins. So the tomatoes have reduced, and now I'm gonna add the kofteh and then let them steam or cook for a little while. Gonna cover it and let it cook a little bit.
On low temperature for how long?
Medium, maybe for 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Okay. We're making some salad. Some very special salad. Make sure you cut them in very small pieces, very small. Adding some salt. A little bit olive oil.